Today, we're going to make a reusable casting mold that can be used over and over again and configured in multiple sizes. Alright, so we have our rough materials here. We're using melamine shelving boards, and the reason we're getting the pre-cut shelves is because it has the edge banding on all four sides, where if we just bought the long strips of melamine, the back edge is normally unfinished. We're also using just some scrap 1x pine that we have laying around. Alright, let's go to the saw. We have 8-inch wide boards, and we're going to start by ripping those down into 4-inch pieces because nothing that we're going to be casting these is going to be that deep. We're going to leave the guard in exactly the same position, and we're going to cut a couple strips of this. Running a bead of glue on the edge of each board. Positioning my pine, and I'm just going to throw a couple brads in it to hold it in place while it dries. Well, while those pieces are drying, we're just going to cut a couple pieces for a couple different sizes of bottoms to the mold. So now that our glue is dry, we're ready to put it together. It's important that you start with the first one of the nailers on the edge of whatever you're using as the bottom. Then you're just going to continue going around in a pinwheel design using the base as your measurement marker. As you can see, this is a mold design that can be used for any number of sizes, and you can scale it as long as one of these sideboards are, or as small as 2 inches if you need to. To finish off the mold, all you need to do is just line it with some Tyvek tape or some hot glue on the seams and some mold release, and then whatever you're cast in there, these molds should be able to be reused for years to come. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you'd like to see future videos, please consider subscribing.